Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone using the Memopuri handwriting label printer, specifically the MEP-T10, MEP-T10WE, or MEP-T10 models. We're talking about the Dysead AC-DC adapter, a power supply cord designed to keep your label printer running smoothly. When it comes to power adapters, safety is paramount, and this Dysead unit truly shines in that department. It comes with international quality certifications, assuring users that it meets rigorous industry standards. This isn't just a generic claim. The adapter incorporates numerous safety mechanisms that provide genuine peace of mind. For instance, it offers robust protection against short-circuiting, which is crucial for preventing damage to both the adapter and your valuable label printer. Furthermore, it includes safeguards against overvoltage and overcurrent, ensuring a stable and consistent power flow, which is vital for the longevity and performance of sensitive electronics. And to top it off, there's internal overheating protection, a feature that prevents the adapter itself from becoming a hazard during extended use. This comprehensive suite of safety features truly sets it apart, making it a reliable choice for powering your device. Delving into its technical specifications, the adapter boasts a wide input range of AC 100-240V at 5060 Hz. This broad compatibility means it's suitable for use in various regions, making it a versatile option whether you're at home or traveling. The manufacturer also highlights its high power exchange efficiency. What this translates to for the user is a power supply that not only delivers stable working performance, but also effectively controls its operating temperature. A cooler running adapter is generally a more efficient and safer adapter, contributing to the overall reliability of your setup. The Dysead adapter is specifically designed for the Memopuri handwriting label printer models MEP-T10, MEP-T10WE, and MEP-T10. It's always a good practice to double-check your device model before purchasing any power supply, and the manufacturer kindly reminds us of this. The connectivity technology is listed as Powerline, with a power source connector type, ensuring a direct and secure connection to your printer. While it also lists compatibility with PCs, its primary and most direct application is undoubtedly for these specific Memopuri label printers, providing the precise power requirements they need. This adapter is an excellent choice for anyone needing a dependable replacement or a spare power supply for their Memopuri label printer, offering both performance and, most importantly, enhanced safety.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.